Hi guys, welcome to CAD CAE tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a Solidworks software and how to this body is designed. And guys, today discuss here a very important. This body is designed here easily and clearly, and this body is a exhaust manifold design. And guys, this is a exhaust manifold design is this is a very easily design here, and how to this body is designed easily and clearly. And guys, all view is present here, and this is a this is a top view, and this is a front view, and this is a right view, and all view this is a 2D drafting is available here. And this body is this is a final product design here, and this body is designed help of this 2D drafting, and all dimension in millimeter, and all fillet 1 millimeter, and all chamfer is 2 millimeter. And this is a and this body is designed, and this body is looking perfect and correct, and this is a final product. And how to this body is designed easily and clearly today discuss here, and all view is looking perfect, and this body is a very helpful. This is a manifold, exhaust manifold. How to this body is designed easily and clearly, let's start here. Okay, at first some setting is very important, and setting is a first is a this is a plain white, and some going to document property and use a image quality is very high because this body is looking perfect. Okay, and some use a 2D drafting, and how to this body is designed. At first this is a drawing here, and this is a this center point to center point distance is 136 millimeter, and this big circle is radius is 52 millimeter, and diameter is a 104 millimeter. And this circle is a drawing here. This is a small circle is 17, dia is 17 millimeter, and this big circle is a 16 millimeter radius, means this is a diameter is 32 millimeter, and this cutout is a 72 millimeter diameter. This is a correct, and this angle is very important, 38-degree angle. At first drawing a front plane, and create a some center line, because this is a use a reference point only, and this is a some line is a drawing here. And this angle is a 38-degree angle, and this line and this point is a coincident. And this line and this point is also mid plane. This is a correct, and some angle is a 38-degree angle. This is a very important. And this is a center point is drawing a circle, and this center point is a drawing a big circle. And again select this both. Drawing this small circle is drawing here, and correct, and both circle is press a control button, and both circle is select here and use a equal. And connect to each. This is a connect, all is a connect to a line, and all line is a tangent. This is a very important point is discussed here. And last is a connect to this point to this, and this is a tangent. Okay, and okay, this is a diameter is defined, and this center to center distance is 136, and this big circle is 104 millimeter dia, because this radius is 52 and this is a radius is 16, means diameter is a 32 millimeter. Okay, this is a define this center point to this is a 136 millimeter. Okay, and this circle is a diameter is 32 millimeter, and this big circle is a diameter is a 104 millimeter. Okay, this is a perfect, and all is a black color, means this is a fully defined. And you can see here, this is check here, this center point is a tangent, and also all point is a tangent, because this is a not tangent. The select here, this is a this two line, press a control button and both is selected and use a tangent. Okay, and also this is a use a tangent. Okay, all is a black color, means this is a fully defined. And some use a trim command and use a power trim, and some extra portion is a cutout, because this is a not usable, and some extra part is a delete here. Okay, this is a perfect, and okay, all is perfect, and use a extrude boss, and this thickness is a this thickness is a 10 millimeter is perfect, and 10 millimeter is a correct, and click OK. Okay, this is a very nice looking here, and again select this face, sketch normal, and again this is a cutout is a this cutout is 17 millimeter dia both side and this is a 72 millimeter. Okay, drawing a big circle, and big circle is this, and a small circle is a center point, this to this, because this is a cutout. And again select a both circle, and circle is a equal, and okay, align a dimension is this is a 72 millimeter, and this is a 16 millimeter cutout. This is a diameter is 16 millimeter, and use a extrude cut. Extrude cut is a use a through all, and okay, this is a looking very nice looking here. Okay, and next point is a this is a all point is discussed here, and okay, this use a pattern, and pattern is a this distance is 132 millimeter, and this is a 3, pattern is 3. And at first select this sketch normal, and draw a reference line, means this is center line is drawing here, because this line is only reference line. This use a horizontal. Okay, and this line and exit, and use a pattern is a linear pattern, and this is a line is select here. Okay, and use a bodies, and select this, and this distance is a 132 millimeter. Okay, and this is a use a click this reverse direction, and then use a okay, this is a use a spacing and instances, and this distance is a this bit two body is distance between 132 millimeter, and this pattern is 3 pattern. Okay, all is perfect, and this line is a hide. Okay, all is a perfect, 3 line is correct. Okay, next point is a this is a correct, and next point is a drawing this body, and this body is a The 176 millimeter is a this is a use a top plane and use this body, and this body is this circle is this big circle is 120 millimeter, and this point to this distance is 50 millimeter, correct, and this point to this distance is 140 millimeter is perfect. Okay, all is correct, and this a small circle is 12 millimeter. Okay, and some use a top plane, and use a plane is created here. Okay, and this plane is distance is a 176 millimeter, and direction is flip offset. Click OK. Okay, and this use a 176 millimeter. Okay, some line is drag here. Okay, and this plane is a sketch normal. Okay, this is a perfect, and a reference line is a drawing here, and reference line is a this use a center line connect to this, and again a line is drawing here, and select a mid line and draw a vertical line is drawing here. Okay, and this line is a small. Okay, all is perfect, and this plane is a use a. Okay, and this plane is a use a this is a hide. Okay, this line is a hide because this is a looking perfect. Okay, and drawing a circle, big circle is drawing here, and this diameter is a 120 millimeter. Okay, and this distance is a this point to this distance is a okay, this distance is a 140 millimeter, and correct. Okay, 140 millimeter, and this small circle is a diameter is 12, and this distance is a center point to this is a 50 millimeter. Okay, and this distance is a 140 millimeter is correct. Okay, and all is fully defined because this is a perfect, and use a extrude boss. Extrude boss is a this is a blind, and use this thickness is 16 millimeter because use a this thickness is 16 millimeter is perfect, and click OK. And again select this sketch normal, and drawing a circle is this, and this circle is cut out, and cut out circle is a okay, and this is not mentioned here, but this cutout is a 72 millimeter dia is perfect. This diameter is a 72 millimeter is perfect because all is looking perfect, and use a cutout, and cutout is a through all. Click OK. Okay, this is a perfect, and again select a sketch normal because this is a use a pattern, and a circle is drawing here. Okay, at first create a line is a center line. Okay, this line is drawing here this to this, and click a small circle is a this, and align a dimension. This diameter is a 12 millimeter, and this center point to this distance is a 50 millimeter. Okay, and this use a black color means this is a fully defined, and use a this. Okay, this small circle is 12 millimeter, and this distance is 50 millimeter is correct, and extrude cut and align a through all, and click OK. Okay, and again select use a pattern is circular pattern, and this use this and click this, and this use a feature is this, and okay, this is use a 360-degree angle, and pattern is 8 and equal spacing, all is perfect, and click OK. Okay, this is perfect. Okay, all is perfect, but some point is very important discuss here. And next is drawing a pipe is connect to this body to this. This use a very important, and this distance is 160 millimeter, 106 millimeter, and this use a 56 millimeter, and this use a fillet is use a 98 millimeter, and this use a 68 millimeter, but this is not mentioned here, and some missing point, and use a fillet. Okay, and this is use a 3D sketch. Some point is discussed here, and 3D sketch, and drawing a 3D sketch, and this use a very important. Click a line is a drawing here, and at first select this circle is drawing here, and this line is a this to this. Okay, this is a perfect line and correct, and some is drag here. Okay, and again select a line and click this, and this point to this is a center, and use this to. Okay, this not okay, some use okay, this is a perfect. Some use a vertical line. Okay, and again select a line, connect to this to this. Okay, okay, this is a very important, and again align a dimension. This dimension is a 106 millimeter. Okay, and this diameter is 56 millimeter. Okay, but some point is a drag a below side, and some is drag a. Okay, connect to this point is connect. Okay, and some use a very important a fillet is this this is a use a 68 millimeter, and this use a this, and okay, and again select a 98 millimeter, and this use a this. Okay, okay, all point is correct, but this part is drawing here, and again select a sketch, and this is a drawing a profile, and use a convert entities, and this use a exit. This path is the profile, and this profile is drawing here, and path is also drawing this, and use a extrude swept boss base, and automatic this profile is select here, and path is click this. Okay, this is a perfect, and click okay. Okay, this is a very looking nice here, and this use a this. Okay, and same here, next is a drawing here, use a 3D sketch, and again drawing this, select this. Okay, line is select here, and this is a, and this is a correct, but this point is a vertical and not mentioned here, and this use a press a tab then use a vertical line is okay. Press a tab, and next okay, this again select a, and this use a center line, and okay, this is use a, okay, this is a vertical line, okay, some drag here, and again select a line is a this connect to this, okay, and this align a dimension is the same here, 106 millimeter, and this use a 56 millimeter is correct, okay, but some point is both side is a drag here and connect to these two, okay, this use this, and again select this point to this, okay, and okay, connect to this, okay, this is a perfect, okay, and some use of fillet is a 96 millimeter connect to this, and 68 millimeter fillet is this point to this, okay, this is a okay, and this path is also drawing, and this exit, and again select this sketch, and drawing again select this, and use a convert entities and exit, both is okay. This profile and path is drawing here, and again use a swift boss base, automatic profile is select here, and this use a path is this, okay, this is a perfect, and click okay, okay, and last point is also drawing here, this use a 1 by 1 because this use a 3 pipe is drawing here, and okay, again select a sketch, 3D sketch, and select a line is a this, okay, this center point to this, and this automatic this vertical, and okay, this is a perfect, again select a line is connect to this point to this is a vertical, and okay, okay, this is a perfect, and connect a line this to point to this, okay, but this is a okay, and use a fillet is a this, okay, some use a line dimension, this diameter is a 106 millimeter, and this diameter is a 56 millimeter, okay, and some use this drag here, and use this circle is this, but this point is this, okay, this is point to this, okay, this point and this point is a use a merge, okay, but there's some missing, okay, again this delete here, and click a line is connect to this point to this, okay, this point to this is a okay, some point is a not okay, this is a fault, and again select this, and this point is a okay, this is a use, this is also delete here. Okay, and this point is also okay. And okay, some point is drag here, and okay, some point also, this is a delete here, and again select a line and use this center point. Okay, this center point is this line is okay, this is a perfect and use this center, connect to this point to this. Okay, okay, this is a correct and use this 56 millimeter and some use a connect to center line. Okay, okay, and some use a fillet is a 68 millimeter is this and 98 millimeter is this. Okay, and okay, this path is created here, and this black color means this is fully defined, and some use a profile, this sketch normal, and this use a convert entities and exit, and use a swept boss base. This profile is automatic select here, and this path is a click this. Okay, all is perfect okay, okay, this is a looking perfect and some material is apply here, and material is a use a metal, and this use a chromium is this. Okay, and nickel is also, this is a perfect. Okay, this is a better, but some important point is discussed here, and use a cell is a 1 millimeter, and select this face, and this is a use a 3 and use a okay, this use a cutout is very looking nice here, and also all point is correct, but all fillet is 1 millimeter and chamfer is 1 millimeter, and select a 1 by 1 and click a fillet is a this sketch 1 millimeter is, and also back side is a select this, click OK, and again select a fillet, use this to this, click OK. Okay, and again select a fillet is a this to back side, select OK. 1 by 1 is select here because okay, and again select a fillet is click, and this is the side is click OK, and some use a okay, all is perfect and some use a chamfer is a 2 millimeter and 45 degree angle, this use a 2 millimeter and 45 degree angle, and okay, this is a perfect okay, all is a at first select a chamfer because this use a fillet. Okay, not usable where because at first select a chamfer is okay, all fillet is a use here correct not Okay, all is perfect, and okay, all is body is drawing here easily and clearly, and all is perfect, okay, and this body is design looking perfect, and all is perfect, and correct, and isometric view is also drawing here, and okay, this is a perfect, okay, and guys, all point is drawing here, and this use a exhaust manifold is design here, and okay, and guys, I hope you will learn all process is learn here easily and clearly. And guys, any doubt about this lecture, then you go to comment box and write a comment. And guys, get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, thank you.